In this video, I'll be showing you how to install and use Malwarebytes on Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and even the free version of Malwarebytes is really good. All you want to do is go over to your browser of choice and then type in Malwarebytes like so, and then just go ahead and click on it, then go to the official site, which is malwarebytes.com. Then it's going to say free download and device scan. And all you want to do is press download now like so. And then just wait for it to fully download. So the exe file is done downloading. Go ahead and open it up. So click yes right there. And then you're going to see the setup wizard. Just press install. You can do personal unless you're doing it for a business. And then just skip the step where it gives you browser guard because that is pretty slow. So you don't want to, install browser guard. Anything like that does slow down your browsers. You might as well just use a browser that has good security on its own. But anyways, from here, just wait for it to install. It could take a longer or a short amount of time, depending on the PC you have. But generally, it only takes up to a few minutes long. And then once it's done, it's going to look like this. And then all you got to do is open up Malwarebytes. And then you can activate a subscription if you paid for it. But we're just going to press get started right now. Press maybe later here because it prompts you into buying it. But then you don't have to enter your email address because it is optional. Then just press continue with free. Now, the best thing to do, and I'd recommend doing this with the free version like once a month, is just running a full scan. It says run a full scan to identify and remove any possible threats, to check gaps in your defenses, and to find out if any of your personal data is exposed. So press run full scan here. It says this may take a few minutes, and then after that, it's going to remove anything that it detects that could be harmful, and it will also let you know exactly what it detected and what it is. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.